Everybody wants natural hair until you have a bird's nest like this. So come with me and let's brush it out. Now let's not get it mistaken. What you're seeing is after an hour in the shower. My hair has become so full and so long in just the 4 years that I've been growing it that there are days where I'm still not used to having to brush my hair. So if I miss just 1 or 2 days of brushing, then it is not galore. And it requires so much patience and so much presence from me. So at the same time, I am grateful. Having a healthy, full head of hair breeds so much confidence. And that is part of the reason why I created this hair oil in the first place, to bring that healthy, full head of hair back to those who may have problems with thinning. I use this hair oil religiously, and I even use it on my beard and my mustache, and it's part of the reason why my hair grows like weeds. I get just as excited to use my product as you guys are when you buy it. Because the results, come on, look at all this growth. If you're looking for a product that's going to keep the moisture locked in as well as promote new growth, head over to our TikTok shop and grab our hair oil.